My name is Jerry Healy. I'm the Director of Building Maintenance for the Presidio. The Presidio Building Maintenance Department is made up of 78 employees. The Presidio as a whole has 5 million square feet of building space. The Presidio Trust Building Maintenance Department maintains 4 million square feet. 3 million are currently occupied and 1 million square feet are unoccupied. During the winter months, the Presidio Trust Building Maintenance Department takes care of heating systems, roof systems. We do window rehabilitation, take care of rodent activity in and around the buildings, and we do annual building inspections on vacant buildings.
Hello, my name is Jason Friede, the HVAC mechanic here at the Presidio Trust. Basically a heating technician. I repair all the heaters here around the park, commercial and residential. This you see here is a steam boiler that feeds 2 big buildings out here. In the summertime, we do a lot of preventive maintenance work to repair things before they go wrong. That's about all we do here, is to maintain this whole park and keep everybody warm and cozy.
The Presidio has 700 buildings with 1.2 million square feet of roofing. Roof types could be tile, which lasts 70 years, to comp shingle, which lasts 30 years. This is an example of a tile roof on building 97. During the renovation, we painted the exterior, did exterior repairs, and installed new gutters and downspouts. These downspouts and gutters will be painted to match the building because this building is considered historic, and that's where it was in the past.
I'm Ernesto Moraz. I'm with the Building Maintenance Department, Carpenter Work Leader. We are reinstalling these windows after they've been abated to get the lead-based paint removed from all the friction points because they do, over time, flake off. So these are the conditions of the windows when we first receive them. As you can see, the parting beads are full of lead paint on the friction points, the stops themselves. The windows, they rattle pretty bad. They don't glide as smooth. And we end up stripping all this paint off and add metal weather stripping on the sides, as well as rubber gasketing and felt. And now we are in the installation phase, and here we go.
Hi, I'm Carl Twyford, Pest Control Supervisor for the Presidio Trust. So here on the Presidio, we use a low to no toxic chemical program called Integrated Pest Management, or IPM. So we try to use the least toxic methods in controlling our pests. We use traps for rodents, we use low toxic baits for ants, and we try to limit exterior spraying to a minimum.
Hello, I'm Pedro Alvarez. I work here at the Presidio Trust. I work with the Building Maintenance Inspection Department along with my partner Jason Hemp. And we're here to inspect this building. Typically on winter months, we like to do what they call like roof leak inspections and just general condition of the property. We like to approach the building as a whole, look at it as an envelope, see if there's any type of rot, deterioration, how the roof is looking, downspouts are correct, any trip hazards, and so forth.
The Building Maintenance Department understands we have 3 customers. It's the environment, the buildings, and the tenants. We know if we maintain the buildings to a high standard, we turn a quality unit for the tenants, maintain the systems in the buildings, and respond to the tenants' needs on a corrective call, all 3 will be taken care of. I understand. Are you friendly now?